I'm Thomas Jones, farmer here at Penderfynydd. I'm a third generation farmer here at Penderfynydd. At the moment I'm stood up on the top of Penderfynydd Mountain with the Welsh Mountain Ponies. The farm has improved land where we graze dairy cattle, beef cattle on a rotational based grazing system. We grow spring barley, which we either forage for silage or we combine for feed and straw. We also do a crop of spring oats, which is feed for the ewes in the winter pre-lambing, and the straw as bedding. We also grow a variety of crops such as fodder beet, rape, kale and chicory, which is used as winter forage over the winter for the ewes and the cattle. On the mountain here in Penderfynydd we introduced Welsh Mountain Ponies in 2006, which was to help improve the grassland and open up the mountain, creating paths and grazing the rougher, coarser grass which the sheep were not able to digest. They have worked extremely well here. They are doing fine, as you can see. They're in very good condition with zero input at all on them. In 2009 we introduced Welsh cattle onto Mynydd y Graig to help with the improvement of the heathland and for the cattle to get into the most inaccessible areas which the sheep wouldn't go and graze. Here we have 30 young Welsh Black Stors which are on the Mynydd y Graig all year round and have minimal inputs here, and they do extremely well on the mountain all year round. Working hand in hand with the NRW here has brought a completely new income to the farm from the Welsh Black cattle without affecting any other parts of the farm practice. Just over here we have our Aberdale ewes. We introduced these 2 years ago specifically to graze the non-improved grass and the more rough grazing on the coastal slopes. The ewes specifically bred to be kept on the rough ground and extremely prolific ewes even on rough grazing like you see here. So they are a breed of ewe which is suited for this type of land, and they also work well with the conservation side, as we can keep sheep on the coastal areas when there is the most flush of grass to make best use of the grass. The Aberdale ewe has been specifically bred to be prolific even on the roughest ground like we have here. She is not suited for lowland grass, as this would have an adverse effect as in having multiple births. So she is ideally suited for the rough coastal slopes and rough pasture like we have here. Here on Mynydd Penderfynydd and Mynydd Graig, with the balance of grazing with cattle, sheep and ponies, it's of benefit to everyone, to me as a farmer for my farming business, and also for the conservation side, especially for the chough, which we have healthy breeding pairs here which breed every year, and the way which the land is managed and grazed is of importance to them for their habitat and feeding ground. Here on the farm, I think over the years there has been a great working relationship being built up between us, the farmers here at Penderfynydd, the National Trust, RSPB and Natural Resources Wales, and I believe that that is why it is working and it is a success here, because there is good communication between us all here on the farm.